Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. I did a weekly chart on this on Friday saying looking like it could be bouncing off the 50-day simple moving average. And is it? I don't know, but today was a good start. If it is going to start to bounce, you can see that had a very nice candle here. And then if you look down here at the volume, biggest we've had since over 2 weeks. So is this the beginning of a bigger bounce? I'm not sure, but if it is, this would definitely be a good little indicator that something larger is coming. So I had requests pouring in on it, and I want to get it updated now from a perspective since we're starting to see some life. It's really just been kind of going back and forth, but when you see a above volume day like this combined with nice price action, it's one of those things that's worth at least checking out and seeing if there's anything more to come out of it. So what we had today was kind of a little breakout. Well, not quite a breakout, an intraday breakout, but we still need to get some more work done. And the reason I'm doing it on such a short, because if I go like this, it just tightens everything up because we had the wild price action a few months ago, which I'm sure everybody remembers. But in the short term, we had this resistance coming across here, which essentially is what made up the top part of our ascending triangle pattern. And I should note that this pattern was taking place in the short term, so this is a pattern of about 2 months, maybe a little less. And we had that level right there, which I just drew, and that was the key kind of level that the bulls were continually trying to get through. And like I said, today, yes, they did get through it, but technically it's still a resistance since we weren't able to close above it. Now the other thing, and I'm not going to really draw a trend line for this, but I am going to point it out, is if you look down here at all these lows, you can see that the bulls have been continuing to put in higher lows. And that is what you want to see. That's the name of the game. And then if I really wanted to, you could draw a trend line just based on these lows, something like that. So with our higher lows and price action today, we'll have to see kind of what happens. Now the rest of this week, tomorrow and then Friday, the key thing that I'll be looking for is, can we get a close above this level here, which is at 0.189. So for argument's sake, we'll just call it 19 cents. If we can get a close above 19 and maintain a close going into the weekend, then maybe there is something to this move. But until that happens, there's lots of history through the chart recently where there's been big green candles right here, and then things just fall back down. But if we can get some closes up above 19 cents and maintain them, then maybe there is going to be some credibility behind this move right here. But until that happens, I'm still a little bit hesitant in calling this some sort of move where the bulls are coming back in charge. But it's worthy at least of monitoring now with today's volume and so forth. If 19 cents does fall, the next key area of resistance is simply going to be where the price got knocked down today, which was up here at 20 cents, we'll call it. I'm not going to go any further than that because we'll take one step at a time. But these are going to be your two key resistance levels. And then for supports, the key one is going to be this orange line here, which has been doing a good job of holding. This is the 200-day simple moving average. And as long as this one holds, then the chart's going to remain in this ascending triangle pattern. And that's giving it some hope to the chart. So overall, great day. Congratulations to anybody that's been nibbling down here. Today it paid off for you a little bit. But the rest of this week will be very interesting to see if we get any follow through. And then, like I said, the main thing I'll be looking for is getting some closes above 19, but more importantly, maintaining the levels above 19. That way we can officially turn this level here into a support level. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you will be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free, no strings attached, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website and check it out. Once more, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.